We, the sovereign Filipino people, imploring the aid of Almighty God, in order to build a just and humane society, and establish a government that shall embody our ideals and aspirations, promote the common good, conserve and develop our patrimony, and secure to ourselves and our posterity the blessings of independence and democracy under the rule of law and regime of truth, justice, freedom, love, equality, and peace. Do ordain promulgate this Constitution. 18 Articles. National Territory. Declaration of Principles and State Policies. Bill of Rights. Citizenship. Suffrage. Legislative Department. Executive Department. Judicial Department. Constitutional Commission. Local Government. Accountability of Public Officers. National Economy and Patrimony. Social Justice and Human Rights. Education, Science and Technology, Arts, Culture and Sports. The Family. General Provision. Amendment of Provision. Transitory Provision.